Now, at the end of our assembly, we always include a prayer. I don't know if any of you have been in our assemblies before, but we do something which we call a little prayer drill. So basically, just relax your arms. And then, when I say number 1, we pop our arms out in front. And when I say number 2, put our hands on our shoulders. And when I say number 3, pop our hands together. And when I say number 4, we close our eyes. Now, I'm going to say the prayer, and if you agree with it, then you're welcome to say amen at the end. Okay, ready? So we'll just go through this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dear Father God, thank you for this school. Thank you for our head teacher, our teachers, and learning support staff, and for everybody who works here. Thank you for those who love and care for us at home. And thank you for Jesus and for everybody who believes in us. Help us to believe in ourselves and to feel good about ourselves so that we can reach our full potential. And bless us all in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Now, could I have maybe 1 or 2 people who might be able to tell me what they remember most, what they learnt most today in the assembly? So the thing you learnt. Yes.
I learned
Not to give up. What a lovely thing to learn, not to give up. And yes, at the back. Not cry. We don't always need to cry, do we? That's a sweet one. And anyone else? Go on then, one more person. Yes. That we don't need to care about what we look like on the outside, but it's good to worry about what we are on the inside, yeah? That's lovely, brilliant, well done you guys. And I know it's hard to remember all these things, but you have done a brilliant job of sitting still. Thank you very much.
Well, we are now at the end of our assembly, but children, will you join with the team in giving Hayden a really big round of applause for playing David? Thank you, Hayden. Well done. Great having you on the team. And we hope you've enjoyed our show this morning. We've really enjoyed performing for you. Hope you'll have a really enjoyable time now in the playground and enjoy the rest of your day, and we look forward to seeing you at some point in the future. Bye now.